and welcome to English Sandwich. We are a channel dedicated to helping people learn and study English. This video is about how to use prepositions to talk about one point in time. We will focus on the prepositions in, on, and at. A preposition is a word that describes the relationship between a noun and another word or phrase. Prepositions can help answer questions such as what time, when, how long, and where. They tell us about place, time, direction, and space. Today's video will focus on prepositions of time using three of the most common prepositions: in, on, and at. Let's start with in. We use in to talk about the times of the day, months, years, and seasons. In 2021, I will have a great year. It usually snows in January. I plant flowers in spring, swim in summer, enjoy the leaves in fall, and make a snowball in winter. In the morning, I wake up. I go for a walk in the afternoon. I watch the sunset in the evening. When we talk about days, we use on. This could be a day of the week or a specific day, such as a holiday. What are you doing on Monday? I'll see you on the 7th. Let's have a party on your birthday. We like to wear costumes on Halloween. When we talk about the time of the day, we use at. The train will be here at 4:30. Most people sleep at night. I eat lunch at noon. Why are you still awake at midnight? To talk about one point in time, we use the prepositions in, on, or at. We should be careful about which word we use. There are clear patterns to follow when using prepositions to talk about time. In is used with years, months, seasons, and parts of the day. On is used with days, and at is used to talk about a specific time of the day. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like if you liked this video, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment if you have any questions. For more English learning content, be sure to join our live streams on Twitch at twitch.tv/English_sandwich, where we stream live English lessons and fun content to help you learn and practice English. Twitch subscribers also have access to a worksheet with grammar practice each week. Thanks for watching.